Hello all, it's Ferdinand Tutorials. Today we are going to be talking about dentition. Please, if today is your first time of coming to this video to watch our video, if today is your first time of visiting our channels, please like this video, comment any questions or anything you think about this video, and also subscribe to our channel. That's Ferdinand Tutorials. Also invite your friends who don't know about this tutorial. I can assure you that it will help them immensely. So let's start. When we are talking about dentition, remember that teeth can be considered as parts of the skeleton. Yes, teeth can be considered as parts of the what? Skeleton. But they are really a modified form of skin. They contain the hardest substance in the animal's body, the enamel. You know that already. Now remember there are three types of teeth in mammals. There are three types of teeth in mammals. We are talking about animal husbandry here. There are three types of teeth in mammals. Now, the three types of teeth in mammals, we have the incisors, we have the canine, and the third one we have the premolars and the what? The molars. Let's start from the incisors. Now, incisors, these are the teeth located in the front of the mouth. Broad and sharp teeth used for cutting. They are present only in the lower jaw of cattle, sheep, goat, and buffalo. Now, let's go over to canine. Now, canine, these are placed back to the incisors. Sharp pointed small teeth used for gripping and ripping, present only in the lower jaw. You can see it there. Now, we have premolars and molars. They are broad, flat teeth with ridges. I get it. Now, they are the largest and the strongest of all teeth. They are found in the sides of the jaws and they are used for what? Grinding. The grinding is an important part, is an important function, as it is at this stage, that the saliva and digestive juices are mixed into the mass of the chewed food. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Now, let's take for cattle for an instance. At birth, calves, that's the child of cattle, the baby cattle, calves would normally have 8 temporary incisors ready to appear through the gums of the lower jaw. Are you getting it? Now, all of the incisors will be visible and ready to use about 1 month after birth. From then until the animal is nearly 1.5 years old, this calfhood incisors teeth will remain in position. It will not move. It will remain there. It's not going out. Now, the replacement of the calf's incisor teeth by the permanent incisor is the gradual process. It doesn't come a day. It's a what? It's a gradual process. Now, and the loss of these calf incisors is followed by their replacement by their corresponding permanent incisors. Now, this change of calf to adult teeth follows a definite and fairly regular pattern. Now, when we're talking about sheep also, now a sheep follows the similar process, but more speeded up pattern. Are you getting it? Of change of teeth takes place with what? With sheep. Okay, now we'll be talking about the number of teeth present in animals, the number of permanent teeth present in animals. Now, the non-animal we'll be talking about here is ruminant and non-ruminant animal. I'll be giving 3 animals, 2 ruminant and 1 non-ruminant. So we'll be talking about the number of teeth present. Now, let's take for instance that we have the cattle. Now, in a cattle, remember that there is a part of teeth there where we have the incisors, the canine, the molar, and premolar. So let's talk about it and know what it looks like, the number of teeth these animals have. Now, I'll be talking about the cattle. I'll be talking about animal cattle. I'll be talking about sheep, and I'll be talking about pig. Are you getting it? Now, let me draw. If I have incisor, I have canine, I have molar, I have premolar, and I have total. This is the total number of teeth. Now, if I have this, are you getting it? If I have this, I have this, and I have this. Now, what is expected here? Now, in each of these, I'll be talking about the number of teeth present in each of that animal, the upper jaw and the what? And the lower jaw. Now, let's go for cattle. Now, let's go for cattle. The cattle upper jaw. Cattle upper jaw. Now, in the cattle upper jaw, the number of incisors there is 0. The number of canine there is what? 0. The number of molar is 6. And the number of premolar is what? 6. Now, it looks like 2 of them are the same, right? The molar and the premolar, we have 6. Let's go again. Now, we have the cattle lower jaw. The cattle lower jaw. Now, the number of incisors here is 8. The number of canine here is 0. The number of molar here is 6. The number of premolar here is what? 6. Are you getting it? Now, the total of these cattle teeth, the number of teeth in cattle, permanent teeth in cattle. Remember what I'm talking about here is permanent teeth. So the total number of permanent teeth in cattle here, we have the for the upper jaw, we have 12 for the upper jaw. For the lower jaw, we have 12 plus 8, we have 20. 20 plus 12 is what? 32. So we have what? 32 teeth. 32 permanent teeth in cattle. Are you getting? The cattle have what? 32 permanent teeth. Now let's go over to sheep, since it's a ruminant animal. Now when we're talking about sheep, let's say sheep lower jaw, sheep, okay, upper jaw. Let me go from upper jaw. Sheep upper jaw, we have 0, we have 0, we have 6, we have 6. Now it's like it's the same thing with cattle. Are you getting it? Sheep lower jaw. Are you getting it? Sheep lower jaw, we have what? We have also 8, 0, 6, 6. Are you getting it? It has this total of what? Of 32. Now there's a relationship that you're understanding here. They are what? They are ruminant animal, and it looks as if that these two ruminant animals have the same number of what? Permanent teeth. Are you getting it? I can agree with you slightly there. Now let's go over to non-ruminant animal, a pig. Are you getting it? If I have pig lower jaw, here we have 6 for the incisors, 2 for the canine, 8 for the molar, and 6 for the premolar. Now for the pig upper jaw, that should be 6, 2, 8, 6. Now making a total of 6, 2. The upper jaw here we have 6, 6, 12, 12, 8. We have 20, 22, 22, 22. We have total of 44 teeth that are in the pig teeth. That it has 44 permanent teeth. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. We'll be seeing you again in our next class. So try and be present and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, you can comment it on the comment section below and share to your friends. Thank you.